Hey everyone, me and my friend are going to be playing Roblox today, and so on. I'm Infancy, is far from here. He is
Kyler, like 2625 or something.
Kyler 6652, and we are gonna start by playing. Let's say.
What about that house?
What house?
You know that house at Infancy's place?
I don't know what house you're talking about.
Infinity is far from here's house. Place.
That doesn't say house, no, does it?
No, it says place.
No, don't.
It does.
No.
Third.
We're gonna play Need for Speed Most Wanted. It's actually a car game, and you have. I know you guys should know what that is. So yeah.
We're gonna have to view this video afterwards just to, like, make sure that crap, I'm gonna have trouble playing like that.
Because you're playing it.
I said I'm playing it.
When it comes to eczema, ordinary lotions aren't made to treat the itch and irritation, so it can feel like you're doing nothing at all.
Right here.
But Neosporin Eczema Essentials.
Who cares what your stuff?
There's a button.
Did that thing load yet?
See my hair. Oh, sorry. Some person requested us to play Zelda Skyward Sword, but Kale doesn't know where his copy is, so we can't play it. Whoa, that's a lot of money.
Oh, what happened to my 10,000? What the heck? Okay.
Go grab a free car.
What car should we get?
Blue.
Blue. No. Chevrolet. Yeah. Chevrolet. Fine, blue.
Yeah.
Come on, blue car.
You should just, like, keep buying the free cars and then selling them.
Except for only 6,000. And then you actually have to end up paying them later. Wow, I suck at driving this car. Yay! I'm driving on the left side of the road. Whee! Never do this at home.
Always do this at home.
Don't, dude. You're being a bad influence.
I don't care. What
the heck was that? Dude, wow. It seems weird stuff at the same time.
I'm the leader, so I say we're here with you.
Okay.
We want to race.
Don't tell them what I'm saying.
Well, they might not be able to see it.
Well, who cares?
They might care. How are you gaining money?
I don't know. Am I? Okay, you know I'm not waiting for this guy. Sorry.
Dude, I think they can hear the music in the background.
They probably can. Dude, what just happened for my car? Dude, I think I blew up the engine. I can't get out.
Somebody's gonna win the race.
Whatever, I don't care. We're gonna play Happy Wheels. Am I over it?
Happy Wheels.
Shut up. No, 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 no. That is a censored eye. No one can see it.
Show them Capone while
Thou
they're
shalt
waiting.
pass.
Show them Capone while they're waiting.
When you're waiting, You get some awesome kitty in the background.
Kitty, kitty.
Say hi, Capone. Meow. Poor Capone.
He's bothered by
It's okay, Capone. Too loud. Today we are going to play.
Tunnels of Death.
No, from the top. I'm gonna be the irresponsible people. Holy crap, that made me jump. Quickly, go or you die. I think I've already managed to do that. Yay! Whee! Home run contest. I didn't even click Z.
I like how they
Last
scream.
time.
I like
Oh
how
my
they
God.
scream when they like lose their limbs.
Dang.
They scream like,
How am I? Last time, I swear. Okay. Almost done. Almost got it this time.
he's missing the leg. He doesn't care.
Yay! Look at me go! Wait a minute.
Happy Hannah.
There's the head. Right there. There's the body. Last time, we're gonna use the old man. Yay! Whoa, how did that even happen? Oh
You're
shit, let my lawnmower go! God. Wee. Wee. Oh, my bum! Come on! How is that even possible? Yay! Whee! Okay, I said it was last time. Pistol. I don't know who this would be. Oh! Kid! Kid! Drop down, or don't you hurt. Oh sure, so I get hurt.
You saved the kid, but you sacrificed yourself.
I wish I didn't do that.
Don't do it this time.
That's it. How did that work? First time I see the kid on it's good, watch. Okay. There, now it'll be even. Oh my Get over there. Well, I'm dead no matter what in that one.
Daredevil.
Stupid Ron.
I made this whilst Madagascar.
Madagascar. Madagascar. I win! Woo! That sucks. I didn't even write that one. Okay, this is gonna be the last level for today.
How much time is in it? 10 minutes?
This will be the last one of the day. Speed break. And we're gonna play it for a couple minutes.
Wait. You should
Okay.
post more videos. And you should post more than one video a day. Yeah, people will like it more if you post more than one a day.
No, don't. No. 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 Whoa, Timmy! I told you to wear your seatbelt. Oh, sure, let the kid die last. Yay, look at my hat roll. No. Yay! Ah. What just happened?
Your bike just came out of nowhere.
Let's see if it falls. How the heck? You're like just like Okay. They got their seatbelts on, I think. Nope, we're dead. Yay! Now look how the kid died first. The kid represents the one that's going to be gone over the week, and the big guy, so the dad is me. I took them both with me. He was just
mean.
killed. Yes! The kid had a worse death.
I'm still twitching.
Okay, let's do this. Double melted bars. That's the lid. Ah! No! Okay, this time, we're not gonna fool around. We're gonna do this the right time.
I highly doubt your legs would be able to move that fast.
Stop ruining the physics of the game.
The physics of the game are wrong.
Who cares? That would make it fun. That's what makes it fun.
Exactly.
Ha! The kid is dead. Let's check on the kid. Ah! Nope. You're back out now. The kid's dead, obviously. Because that kid is stupid. Wee! 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 Yes! And we are shutting out in 5, 4, 3, 2, taco sauce! Taco sauce! Taco sauce and...